To this day, my son, he's come a long way in his ability to communicate and express himself. And as a dad and a cop, I have from a very early age taught him his address. And we sat him down and we taught him that when somebody says, "What's your address?" this is the answer, 17712. Okay. He didn't understand what it meant at first. He was just repeating what Dad told him to say, the words, the sounds, when he received this question. That's all I needed at first. Okay, I needed him to understand what his address was. Then we phase in his phone number, and we phase in Mom and Dad's name and things like that. But at first, it was just rote repetition. To this day, if I ask my son, "Where do you live?" he'll say, "Over there." "Where do you live, Eric?" "Over there." We could be in Nebraska, 2,000 miles away. If you say, "Where do you live?" he'll say, "Over there." It gets you nothing. If you're nimble and you try different angles, if you can get to the way, into the exact words they were taught, I guarantee you that individual, if they're surviving in this world for a number of years, where they're 10, 12, 15 years old, somebody at some point, whether it's a teacher, a parent, or somebody, has taught them their street address. Okay? But they may not be answering to "Where do you live?" because it wasn't the precise input they were taught. So "Where do you live?" "Over there." It doesn't help. What street do you live on? No, it doesn't work. No, if you back off and pivot and try different things, eventually you'll get to "What's your address?" Boom, that's how they were taught. 7712. I hope that makes sense.